This is orange, and then this one is green. This big. Oh my goodness. Uy! So it's raining. Oh. I don't know if this is all Milo. Don't escape. Agoy, look at the pincher. It's always up. Okay. Tangan ko nagtubig. Okay. Ano na tubig para malimpyo siya. Tapos alis na rin siya pag mulubog na sa tubig. Parang siya kalaming. Tapos sa lamingon of 24 hours. So now it's 7:30 p.m. Almost 8 p.m. Okay, just stay there. Don't move. Don't escape. Carry around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I wanna make you smile. Oh, this one lost its second pincher. Nawala yung paak. Okay. Di alam mo halami yung sa ano. That's the New Jersey green. I don't know how many species of crabs are there. Sa Pilipinas, daghan sa klaseng crabs. So, ato lang i-make sure nga makaon siya. Ito magpataka-taka po yung kuha. Kaya punta ng crabs pwede kanon. I'm sure this one is edible. Yan, ganyan. The light reflection. O yan, hindi na makita. Ay, okay lang yan. Ako na ning hugasan og kaupat. Tapos mulubog na po ang tubig. Alis na po siya tubig para malimpyo jud siya. And then kung mahumanan ni siya og paliyad, ako na din siya i-brush one by one. Oh my god, this one is very green. Oh, I guess that one is female.